Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. My name is Asruddin and welcome back to channel The Pro Gamers. So guys, today we are gonna play with Scarlet Fox 3 matches. The first one the target is 2 lakh, and in the second one 3 lakh, and in the third, last but not the least, 5 lakhs. So now let's see which target will she be able to complete, and if she completed all targets, her rank will definitely go above the guide danger. So now let's start the game. The game starts in 3 2 1, and the game has been started, or the match has been started guys. And I want to tell you that please watch my videos, because if you watch my videos this will make me more this will give me more motivation. And guys, I will start making shooting games videos like Sniper 3D, Counter Strike. So guys, those topics are a lot, 1000%, million times more interesting than the running games topics. So now let's see that when will I make. It's totally not dependent on you, because if you will watch my videos, tell others also to watch my videos, then this will give me motivation, and then I will start making the shooting games videos. So guys, please watch my videos as much as you can, and guys, please share with the other people, and please subscribe and also participate in lucky draw. We will for sure deliver a gift to your house. Okay, so guys, let's come back to the topic. 1 lakh run done. Let's see what is gonna happen today. That's very good type of running from this girl, Scarlet Fox. Okay, so guys, 2 lakh run done. Oh guys, that was a very good decision for taking, that fast running thing. Okay, so guys, we completed our first target. So now let's see, will we be able to complete our second one or not, because the second target is of 3 lakh and that is more harder. Well guys, we have completed the target for today, but still we have to play the second game. Let's see, will we be able to complete the target or not of 3 lakh. So now the match starts in 3 2 1, and the match has been started guys. Guys, you know what, doing Urdu dubbing or Hindi dubbing for Pakistanis, Indians or Bangladesh, that is a very easy task. Oh guys, that is dangerous. But doing gaming in English and word to word English is very difficult for any gamer who lives in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh or these types of countries. So guys, please, definitely what you should do is watch my videos, give me motivation guys, because that would be very helpful for you and me. For me, this would be that you people will give me motivation, and I will start making shooting games videos as well as shooting games. And then after shooting games season 2, guys, season 1 and season 2 of shooting games is very interesting guys, because shooting games season 1 includes Sniper 3D in Counter Strike, and the second season includes Granada, Free Fire, PUBG Mobile Lite. So please guys, I would recommend you to please watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos and subscribe. And guys, second benefit to you is that you will be entered in a quiz, and if you won, or give all answers correct, the gift will be delivered to your house. And guys, the gift can be mobile tabs or any other type of gift. So guys, please participate in lucky draw, because if you will participate in lucky draw, this will be a very surprising moment for me guys, that you people trust me. So guys, as you know that as from the day I made channel, I said you people, I think so I should say I cleared you people, that we all people are friends. And guys, I am a real friend of you. So if you wanna be a best friend for me or with me, please first like, share and subscribe to our channel, and then tell me that you have done it. Okay, so guys, we completed the second target as well. Let's see, will we be able to complete the third one or not. So it's time for the third game. Let's see, will we be able to complete it or not. The match starts in 3 2 1, and the match has been started guys. Okay, so guys, what was I saying, that if you will like, share and subscribe to my channel, and then ask me for being friends, I would definitely not be your friend but the best friend, guys. So please do this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and then tell me I have liked, share and subscribe wherever you will say, YouTube, Facebook or wherever. I will always be your friend. Okay, so guys, when we'll go to the shooting games, as shooting game is too close. Season 2 is also too close. So I want to tell you people that if you like the shooting games, so please vote for PUBG and Free Fire, because in my point of view both are the best games, but the game which I most like is, guess guys, guess. Well, the game that I like the most is Garena Free Fire, because when I started playing Free Fire, that was the day when I got interested in the running games topic. Okay, so guys, we didn't complete the third target, but definitely completed the two targets, and we won the series. And this is gonna bring the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, so do your part. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we are gonna meet you in the Temple Run part number 15, that we are gonna play with Berry Bones. Till then, take your care, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.